name is Kirtana KS. My group members are Kirtana KS, M. Himaja, Lalita GS, and Anusha S. My topic is designing relational database for the IPL T20 tournament. First, we discuss about introduction. Welcome to this dilated presentation on designing a relational database for the IPL T20 tournament. We will explore the process for conceptualization with ear diagrams to practical implementation through relational schema and SQL table creation. This diagram visually shows how different parts of a cricket tournament, such as team, players, matches, and stadiums, are connected in a database. An ear diagram uses entities attribute relationships. First, entities. These are real world working like player, team, match. Attributes means details or properties of each entity. Relationships. How entities are connected. Entity name like team. Attributes team ID, unique identifier. Team name. Team's name indicates. Captain indicates captain names. Team entity stores the basic details of each team. Like example, one take we team ID T01. Team name like Mumbai Indians. Captain name is Rohit Sharma. Like next entity name. First we take about player. Attributes means player ID name. Role means batsman, bowler, all round. Team ID means foreign key. Action prize stores all the player information like example player ID P15, name Virat Kohli, role means batsman, team ID T02, prize 15 crores. Next entity name match. Attributes match ID, team 1 ID, team 2 ID, stadium ID, date. Next matches details. First we take match ID M01 like team 1 ID T01, team 2 ID T02, stadium ID S01, date like 6/10/2025. Relationships like players and Eldin. First we take place. Match involves two teams. Next held in. Match takes place in a stadium. First we discuss about entity name like stadium. Stadium ID barutte, stadium name, location. Stores information about where matches are held. Like example, stadium ID is S01, stadium name Eden Gardens, location Kolkata. Next, entity name action, action ID, player ID, teams ID, action prize, relationships. A player participates in an action. Each action links a player and team. Helps keep track to player purposes. Example like player bought by action prize. First player means MS Dhoni, bought by CSK, price 12 crores. Entity name performance attributes like performance ID, match ID, player ID, runs, wickets, sixes. Players as a performance record in a specific match. Tracks how players perform in matches like example we take player match runs wicket six. First we learn player Virat Kohli. Match M01, runs 85, wickets 0, 6, 4. Next, we discuss about main relationships in the year diagram. Player team. A player plays for a team. Second one, team match. A match is played between two teams. Match and stadium. A match is held in a stadium. Fourth one, player action team. A player participates in an action and is brought by a team. Player performance match. A player has performance details for each match. These relationships ensure data integrity and allow powerful data analysis like top performing players, team statistics, actions pending, match history. Next, advantages of the year diagram: clear structure, support queries, real world fit, flexible foundation for database. First, clear structure means easy to understand and implement in database like SQL. Next, supports queries, perfect for searching, filtering, and reporting. Real world fit matches how actual works. Next, flexible can scale to multiply seasons, teams, players. Foundation for database. This year diagram will become the database for relation tables in a database system. This year diagram represent all important entities and relationship in a cricket tournament system. It indicates team, players, matches, stadium, actions, and player performance. Such diagrams are not only useful for building database but also for developing web apps, supports, entities, tools, and mobile apps for time fans and management.
Everyone, I am excited to present our project on IPL cricket database using SQL. This includes designing a logical schema, writing useful queries, and analyzing match performance. Our main intention is to understand how database works here. So let's will study cricket data, especially from the Indian Premier League. So why we use IPL database? IPL database is a database where cricket is a data rich game where run, wicket, the player detail is very important in this IPL. So IPL has many matches and stats. It becomes difficult to track everything manually. That's where a database comes in. By designing a proper schema and writing queries, we can easily find many solutions like how much have the team have been scored and the highest performance and how much they have been organized. And main thing is logical schema, where logical schema is the heart of our database. It shows all the tables which have been connected. Each box is called a table and arrows which shows and relationships between them. Let's go through each table one by one, where the first table comes as a team table which stores a basic team details. Each team has unique team id, for example name like an RCB or MI, and a captain name like an Virat Kohli. The next table is player, where table player is a table name where has information about players. Each player has a unique id, name, role like batsman, bowler, all rounder. And next is team id, where team id contains how it shows a team belong to, and action price to show their buying cost in crores or lakhs. The third table is stadium, with this stadium table stores stadium details where IPL match are held. Each stadium has each name and location, like example Mumbai, Bangalore, and different stadiums. In the next table is match. The match table, it stores every match played, like example which has two teams played, team 1 ID and team 2 ID, which stadium hosted the match and the date of the match. This contains for the stadium. And the table 5, Ashen. The action table is used to track which player was brought by which team in which year for what price. It helps us to study how much money we have spent on the players. This is all about the action where it contains action ID, player ID, team ID, and action price. The next table is performance. Performance. This performance table is one of the most important table. It records each player performance in a match, how many runs they have been scored, how many wickets they have been took, and how many sixes they have been hit. And many of the performance will be scripted here. And the fourth, let me explain the relationship between the tables. All these tables are linked using IDs. For example, connects team ID connects player and team. Player ID connects performance and action. Match ID links match and performance. This linking is called foreign keys, and it helps to join tables easily in queries. And the first query is highest scoring match. The highest scoring match, the query calculates the total run score in each match by adding team 1 and team 2 scores. It then shows the match will be highest combined score. There are many queries will be done here. And if we want, we can create even more queries like top individual score, player with more six, team with highest win rate. This will make the database even more useful. To conclude this IPL database project, how to design a database using a logical schema, how to connect a tables using foreign keys, how to create a powerful SQL queries. It was very glad to work on a cricket data and converting raw math stats into a useful insight.
Everyone, today I'm going to tell about IPL T20. How to we create? First, we will create the table. The table includes a team ID, a team name, home menu, coach name, foreign key. First, we will the team ID here the primary key, and foreign key is home menu and reference by home. Next, we will create the players. The player's ID int primary key, primary name varchar not null. The team ID int role varchar. Here, here the player ID is the unique identifier for each player, and player name of the player could not be in a null, and team ID reference team ID, and coach name in a varchar foreign key or home menu id. Now next we will create the mm, table of players. The players id, players name, team id, batting style and bowling, date of birth. Here the players id is the primary key, and player's name in a varchar. It will be not in a not null. The team id in the integer, and the batting style in varchar, bowling style in a varchar, date of birth in a data. Here foreign keys team id, reference team as a team id. Next we will create about table of menu. Menu includes int primary key, menu name in varchar not null, city, and capacity. These are the we are creating the three tables. Now we will going to insert. So insert into teams, team ID, team name, home menu ID, coach name, values. Here we will the team ID 1, 2, 3 we will taking in a row, in a column. So in a row we will take in a Mumbai Indians, and here menu ID in 101. The coach is Mark Boucher. Next second one we will take as a Chennai Super Kings 102. Stephen Fleming is the coach name. Next third one is Royal Challengers Bangalore 103 is the menu ID. Next coacher name is Hand Flower. Next we will insert the players. Players includes players ID, players name, team ID, role, and and batting style and bowling style, date of birth, values. So we will insert into first player's ID 101, 102, 103. We will include only three. Here the team ID is team player name is Rohit Sharma. Team ID 1, batsman, right hand, left arm of break. In the date of birth 1987 430. 102 is the player ID, MS Dhoni, wicket keeper, right hand arm. Next 103 Virat Kohli, batsman. He will be in a right hand and right arm medium. In the date of birth 1981 11 5. Next we will insert into menu. Venue ID, venue name, city, capacity, values. We will consider three: 101, 102, 103. Your wicket stadium, Mumbai. It will the capacity will be 33,000. Next 102. Your Chandrama Stadium in Chennai, 38,000. 103 is the menu ID. Here in a Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore, it will be in a 40,000. The people will be in a capacity. So we will first select star from team. So this is the output of the first we will create the team. Next we will the output insert the team. Then the output will be the team ID, team name, home menu, coach name. These are the output for the first table. We will see the second. Select star from players. These are the output for the player. It includes player ID, player name, team ID, role, batting style, bowling style, date of birth. These are the output for the second table. Next, we will move to the third. Select star from venue. Is the third table. This is the output. Venue ID, venue name, city, capacity. These are the output for the third table. This is how we will creating the menu ID.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anusha. Today I'm excited to present our project on the IPL cricket database using SQL. First one, highest scoring match in IPL history. Purpose: this query finds the match with the highest combined total runs scored by both teams. It adds team 1 runs and team 2 runs for each match. Then it sorts the matches in descending order of total runs. Limit returns only the top result. Example, match ID 202 had the highest score runs 13 130 runs. Second one, team with the lowest score in the match. It consists select team ID minimum total runs has lowest score from performance, group by team ID, order by lowest score, limit 1. Purpose: this query finds the team that scored the lowest total runs in a single match. It works in the basis of it groups results by each team ID. Use MIN bracket to find the minimum score for each team. Orders by that scores to find the lowest. Limit 1 shows only the lowest score team. Example, team ID 5 scored the lowest score of 30 in match 203. Third one, team losing most wickets in a single match. Select SQL, select team ID max. Total wickets has most wickets from performance, group by team ID, order by most wickets, descending, limit 1. Purpose: this definitions the team that lost the most number of wickets in a single match. It works on the basis of group by team ID, use max bracket to find the highest wickets lost, sort in descending order. Limit 1 gives the team with most wickets logged. To sum up, this IPL database project was a great learning experience. It helps us to understand how to design a database using a proper logical schema that connects all the key parts like teams, players, matches, stadiums, auctions, and performance. By using SQL queries, we could find answer real questions such as which match had the highest total score, which team performed the worst, which team lost the most wickets. This project showed us the real power of database, how they store, organize, and make it easy to analyze large amounts of information. Working with IPL data made it fun and practical. It combined sports with technology and helped us to improve both our database skills and our understanding of SQL. Thank you for your attention.